13 to shoot. Jay, nagtatawa ng bola. Uy, may dagwag. For Goma. Just put the ball down. Easy 2 points by Takaw. Tuloy. Ang ng bola. Pass to Hugo. 13 to shoot. Tumikada ng 3. 3 points by Hugo, the Penguin man. Barangay Tagay. Uy, sumabay ka, Nunoy. Wala ka pinakuha ni Kyle. Panchit, 15 to shoot. 3-second violation, turnover to Barangay Tagay. Okay, nagtatawag ng bola. Tumikada ng 3. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Brown. Brown, nagmamadali. Tumikada ng boss. Easy 2 points. Sige, kuya. Aaron, pass to Hugo. Hugo. Sinusundutan, pass to Jay. 15 to shoot. Time out! Pass to Hugo. Wala pa rin.
Hey, kuya! Paklo! Yan!
Tuloy, pass to Aaron. Walang tawag. Hugo, tumikada ng 3. Wala pa rin. Nice save with Coben. 13 to shoot. Kyle, pass to Jibu. Aaron. Pass to Hugo. Hugo, tumikada ng 3. Wala pa rin lista yan. Nakuha ni Jay. 15 to shoot. Jay na naman. Bola ng Barangay Tagay. Aaron, inbound the ball. Pass to Hugo. Hugo, pass to Aaron. Aaron, nagtatanga ng bola. Kumikada. Kumikada ng bola. Wala pa rin ang Unican Tray. Naagaw ni Hugo. Ay, ang ganda ng rainbow. Aaron tumikada ng 3. 3 points by Aaron. Uy. Kyle. Pass to Malon. Pass pa rin ni Jay. Pass to Nunoy. Nunoy. Uy, natuhod. Uy, nice block. Foul by Jay.
Kunti na naman, huwag kayong magdansa. Sino na ron? Ayun pa na ako tumira.
First throw. Okay, rebound.
Hoy, wala yun! Wala yun!
Last throw.
Ako! Puta ragis!
Is it 2 points?
Labas!
Hugo, nagmamadali. Tumigkada ng 3. Please, kalayan by Penguin.
Nasa tayo yan! Huwag tayo papaul!
Ang check. 3 points by Brown. Justin Brown.
Hoy! Pagkasan mo yun!
No, nakipagpatigasan na.
Tira, Max!
Tumigkada na naman. Wala pa rin.
Isa din!
Eh, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Hugo, nagtatanga ng bola. Hugo, pass to Aaron. Tumigkada ng 3. Pinawalan na! Lista na yan by Aaron. Ang chip, nagtatanga ng bola. Oras natin. 3 minutes, 15 seconds. 15 to shoot. Hugo, dribbling the ball. The Penguin man. Pass to Oben. Tumikada ng 3.